walking back is so boring. All the way down there. And even further. Takes about 15 minutes. 15 to half an hour anyway. No, about half an hour. Sometimes it takes half an hour to an hour. Might skip some fails. Speed walk. You can see my shadow. It's gone. Wait for it to come back. Wait for it. There we go. So yeah, bye.